welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
The stock engine originally came with a 2.0 producing 200 horsepower at the crank. It has been swapped for the 2.4 liter from the TSX. It currently makes 215 wheel horsepower and 181 foot-pounds of torque. In terms of modifications, it has injectors, there's custom intake through the headlight. It also has Buddy Club header and 2.5 vibrant street power exhaust. Inside's fairly stock, you know, average 6-speed transmission, Exetti clutch. Got M&H Race Master slicks on it to hook and grip really well at the track. There's lots of competition today. For the day at the track, got the stock wheels back on. Best time was 13.7, 100 mile an hour for today. The car has seen 13.3 at 103 mile an hour, but I suspect it's just hot. My tires probably have less tread, who knows. Overall, it was a great day, and don't be caught sleeping on the Honda Civics, because most of them have a little pep to them. That's all. Thanks, Scotty, for the video. Happy motoring to everyone else.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.